Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English Speaking Practice podcast. Today is a very special day because we are starting day 1 of our 5-day English Speaking Challenge, and I am really happy you are here with us right now.
Yes, welcome everyone. If you are listening to this, it means you are already taking an important step towards speaking English more confidently and more naturally, and that is something you should feel proud of.
That's right. Today, we are going to practice something called shadowing. This means you will listen carefully to what we say, and then you will repeat the sentence out loud, copying the sound, the rhythm, and the feeling of the sentence.
And don't worry at all if you feel slow, nervous, or unsure. Shadowing is not about being perfect. It is about training your mouth, your ears, and your confidence to work together in English.
Before we begin, let me ask you something simple. How are you feeling today? Are you feeling excited, tired, nervous, or curious? Whatever you feel is okay. Just stay with us and trust the process.
Exactly. Remember, speaking English gets better when you actually speak, not only when you listen. Even 5 minutes a day can make a big difference if you practice regularly.
Let's start with a gentle warm-up. Please listen first and then repeat after me.
I am learning English.
Now repeat it out loud.
I am learning English.
Great job. Let's try another one.
I am not afraid to make mistakes.
Your turn. Say it with confidence.
I am not afraid to make mistakes.
You are doing really well. Now let's continue with a few more sentences. Remember to speak out loud, even if your voice feels strange at first.
I speak slowly and clearly.
Repeat after Emma.
I speak slowly and clearly.
Nice. Speaking slowly is a good thing, not a bad thing. Here is the next sentence.
I try to practice English every day.
Now repeat after me.
I try to practice English every day.
If you make a mistake, please smile. Mistakes are a sign that you are learning something new, and that is exactly what we want.
Yes, and remember this important idea. Small practice every day is much better than long practice once a week.
Now we will try some slightly longer sentences. Listen carefully first.
My English is getting better step by step.
Your turn.
My English is getting better step by step.
Very good. Let's do another one.
I believe in myself when I speak English.
Repeat after Jack.
I believe in myself when I speak English.
Take a short breath. Relax your shoulders. You are doing something positive for yourself right now.
That's right. Every sentence you say today is helping you speak more fluently in the future.
You have just completed day 1 of your 5-day English Speaking Challenge, and that is a big achievement. Well done.
If you enjoyed this practice, please come back tomorrow for day 2. You can also repeat today's practice as many times as you like.
Remember, English is not about being perfect. It is about expressing yourself, little by little, every day.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep believing in yourself.
See you tomorrow. You are doing great.